Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get PlayStation codes, get that wallet balance higher, PSN network, it's time. So as you can see, my balance is $67. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So go to zestcoupons.com and look for PlayStation promo codes, press get code, show coupon code, and wait for it to generate. Now bear in mind, they will ask you for your email address, so make sure you go ahead and put that in. So I'm going to press get full code, and this is usually the part where they ask for the email, but I already entered it. So as you can see, it says activating reward, and then we just have to wait for this to load, bro. So as you can see, it says reward activated, so email confirmed, blah, blah, blah. So there you go. That is how you get free PlayStation gift cards, codes, whatever. You can see it says please register next. So this is the part where you got to register. So I already did that, but let's go ahead and type in PlayStation codes, and you will see it is so expensive. I guess they don't have, I guess, you have to type in gift card, but look how expensive this is, bro. These are so expensive. 25, 22, 40, 10, damn, bro. So yeah, if you want to spend money on these, that is fine, but I do not want to spend money on it. So what I did is I went over to this website called zestcoupons.com. And then once I got over to the website, guys, I just go to the search bar and type in PlayStation. And there it is. We got the PlayStation promo codes. Just press show coupon and you're good to go. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super cool. And it totally works in 2025. So yeah, if you guys need these voucher codes, be sure to try us out because it's super cool. And it totally works, guys. So yeah, I'm going to see you guys in another video, and peace out, bro.